What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So this is a highly requested video asking me, Dylan, how do you get your parts ready for paint? How do you sort your parts out for what colors they have to be, and how to make your painting experience more smoother, so when you're out actually painting, you can actually grab the parts and go faster. So I got all my parts laid out for paint, and let's show you how I get my parts, where their colors are at, and then when it's time for paint, I just grab the parts and go out to the paint booth and start spraying right away, and come back, put those parts down, grab my next color, then grab those parts and go out, and so it's just much smoother. So obviously I got my Mustang and my Bel Air right here. So we got them right here, and they're obviously will be body color, so nothing major right here we have to do with them. So body color parts, we know the body is body color. You have extra mirrors. Say you have mirrors and stuff, those are obviously going to be body color unless you want to do them black. And then obviously your Mustang body, again, body color, so we don't have to put those at the special part. Say like if you have other parts that you want body color, such as the Bel Air parts, here is the front bonnet part that goes in the front. Dashboard, I might go ahead and do body color as well, the top and bottom half. And then the supercharger Corvette engine cover will do body color. So the Bel Air is going to be a two-tone. So this guy's going to be body color, the main body color, and then the supercharger part is going to be the second color, which is going to be like a darker color. So so to put those off to the side, and then you'll know. And then for additional parts, see you have chrome, aluminum, silver, flat black, semi-gloss black, interior color, and accessory colors over there. Just go through the instructions. If you don't know what color the parts are, Revell Instructions has the parts laid out with the correct color combination next to the code, you want to call it. So look at the instructions for the color code. If you don't want to go by that, if you want to do a different color, then it's obviously your choice. It's your kit. So like for me, when I strip all my chrome, and we paint them in chrome. So we get the outright chrome. So get the bottles, the correct paint bottles you're going to be using. So the chrome I'll be using, just set them out and lay them out nicely on your bench. Like I got the outright silver over here. I got the aluminum over here, and then for the black, I have a huge black container. I'll keep on my paint booth anyway, because black is the main thing that you normally use. So I'll just get a piece of sticky or tape, and then semi-gloss black. So I'll just put that there, and then put the parts next to it. One says FB, that's for flat black. So because like I said, I don't have bottles of black in here because they're big bottles and I keep them on my paint booth. So I just use tape for that, and then put the parts next to it. So say like all the chrome parts, basically everything you want chrome, put right here. If you ship your own chrome, this is steel. So I'm gonna be doing the exhaust tips for the Ford Mustang. Interior color, so this is for the interior color for the Bel Air. I'm gonna be using NATO black. So again, put that right there, and then put all your interior parts next to it. And then for the Mustang parts, I got my interior color over here. Got all my interiors next to it. The interior is gonna be a two-tone, so we got my two-tone colors right there. The engine wheels, the wheels. The colors for the wheels for the Mustang, we got them right there laid out next to the paint job, or next to the paint. The brakes will be this blue on the Mustang, so we got the brakes next to that blue, and then the black we got, or the tires I should say, are gonna be rubber black from Splash Paints. So we got the rubber black, and then we got the tires next to it. So that's just my little tip, guys. That's how I get my parts ready for paint, and then just get them laid out. I mean, it's pretty simplified, but yet if you think about it, it does go by much smoother, and it does make my painting experience more faster. Say like if you have your parts kind of spread out and it's not organized like this, and you're ready for paint, and you're gonna be painting the whole day, and then you come in, you're like, oh shoot, what color is this gonna be? Okay, it's gonna be aluminum. That's just gonna take too much time. Just take this only takes about 10 minutes the most to organize your colors, and then just put them in their correct color, and then they're already organized and ready for you on your painting day, and then it's just easier that way. But other than that, guys, that's it. And I just want to show you guys this because some of you do ask me how I do get my parts laid out for the color and then ready for paint day, and this is how I do it. It's pretty simplified. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it helped you. But until next video, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.